Hey Adam, it's Mike here from Langley Chrysler. Just want to thank you for your inquiry on this super wicked Ram 1500 Sport. Thought I'd send you a walk around video just to confirm truck is still here, still available. Awesome condition, 17,000 kilometers. It is stock with the exception of the wheels, black boards, looks good. Super nice shape. Fully certified and inspected truck. Interior looks good, no smokers, no pets. Boom, panel roof. It's in nice shape. Box is sprayed, body is in fantastic shape. There you are, my friend. I hope you like it. We are offering 24-hour no obligation test drives. If you're more comfortable just picking it up, taking it for a day or a few hours, see if it like it. That offer is on the table for you, my friend. Any questions? If you'd like to come drive it, please let me know. Again, my name is Mike. I'm the internet manager here. My cell phone is 778-668-2490. Have a great day. Thanks so much.